What to do when carpet get damaged by water leakage by Deluxe Carpet Steam Cleaning. Water leakage is common in every home. Burst pipes, tap leakage and drain pipe leakage can trigger this situation. It is really sad to say that, but when the water reaches to the carpet, it causes huge damage to the carpet. We spend a lot of money on purchasing it, and when it damages, we feel pain. But not anymore. If you act fast and do the carpet water damage restoration using precise techniques, you can restore the carpet damage. In this video, we will try to discuss the carpet water damage restoration techniques in the best possible way. Here are the steps for carpet water damage restoration techniques. Carefully assess all the steps and follow the instruction word by word. Do not jump or shuffle the steps, or it'll not solve your problem. 1. Clear the water. 2. Use fan and dehumidifier to dry the carpet quickly. 3. Steam clean the carpet and clean the floor. 1. Clear the water. For cleaning the water, you can use a wet vacuum cleaner to clear the water. Set the suction setting at high and remove the excess water. Check the carpet paddings. If it's soaked in water, you need to change the paddings, as removing water from the paddings is difficult. No matter what you do, it'll hold some amount of dampness, which will later result in mold growth. Thus, get rid of paddings, and place the carpet in a dry or less humid place. 2. Use fan and dehumidifier to dry the carpet quickly. Turn on the fan at full speed and dry the carpet. Ventilate the room. You can also turn on the dehumidifier. It'll control the amount of moisture in the room. After a few hours, the carpet will get dry, then proceed to next step. 3. Steam clean the carpet and clean the floor. When the carpet comes in contact with water, the dampness makes the perfect atmosphere for bacteria to breed. This results in the growth of fungus and mold. This can make your carpet look ugly, faded, and over time the carpet fibers will weaken. Therefore, steam clean the carpet. You can either do it yourself or call professionals. Reach out to the professionals. What you'll do well, professional would do it better. You can reach out to the best carpet water damage restoration services. At Deluxe Carpet Steam Cleaning, we provide all types of carpet water damage restoration services. We do the wet carpet cleaning and deal with any type of carpet water damage. Thanks for watching. To know more useful cleaning tips, please subscribe to our channel.